Hello, everyone. Robert Blackman here, one of your customer success coaches here at Bright. Want to talk to you guys about a quick moment here, just to talk about a couple of areas in your Bright pages here that you can customize that you may not be aware of. First one we'll talk about here is in the Workspace page. So here in the Workspace page, you do have the ability of moving your widgets around here, these areas. You can move these around to your liking. So if you personally want to see the concierge section somewhere near the top, you can move this. If you want to move the market watch over to the right or up higher or wherever, you can move these four boxes around. So if you hover over those sections, if you hover over this area, you'll see these six little dots pop up. And if you hover over those six dots, you will get a four-way arrow cursor here, which allows you to click on it, left click on it, and drag it and put it wherever you want it to be. So I can move hot sheets down at the bottom. I can move it up to the top. I can move listing activity over. Any order I want to put these things in, I can move them around by just hovering over that area, seeing that six dots, and then I can hover over those six dots, get that four-way arrow, and I could drag and drop it where I want. Now, there's another section here under the carts and favorite searches, which is another section you guys may use. And when you're in here, you can edit this a little bit as well. So what I can show you first is you do have the pop out on the on the left-hand side, I should say. You'll see that you can actually hide this if you wanted to, or you can have it pop out with the little arrows there on the left. And you can customize this timeline. So you can see what information shows up in the timeline here. If you have the timeline open, you can slide on or off what activities you want to show up in that timeline if you have that out. So what you do is just select the ones you want to have on or off, and then click on that save button, and that'll be updated. So now you can see that that timeline will show that activity here on the left-hand side. Now you can always click on this little arrow on the top there to close that notifications. And you will see here that you do have all of your other sections in here, which you can also edit. So you can actually click over on the top right-hand side. You'll see an area that says Edit Carts and Favorite Searches. And if you click on that, a new pop-out will come out here, and then you can turn on or off any of these sections. So if I wanted to turn off, let's say, recent use contacts, I can slide that off. And now that section no longer applies. It no longer shows on this page. So the page is just showing here in Carts and Favorite Searches what I want it to show. And you can reorder these things. So if I want to move contact requests maybe further down here, I can actually go over here and in this pop-up, when I clicked on edit carts and favorite searches, this pop-up that comes up, you can then click over on the right-hand side. You'll see these two lines on the right of that, and you can actually drag that thing down, and we can move that over here by, let's say, put it by my carts, and now you'll see it's been moved down here to the bottom part of the page. So these can be moved around as you please as well. Again, turn them on or off as you like. And if you have anything on, you can drag it and move it around by just hovering over those two little arrows on the right-hand side and just dragging them to the order you'd like so they show up on your page the way you like. And then when you're done, you just close that by hitting that arrow at the top there, and it'll close that out. And now that is all gone. Now my page looks exactly like I like it, and it shows only the information I please. So hopefully that's a helpful tip for you guys. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out to our coaches or our support team. And keep in mind, you can always connect with a coach for office hours by just clicking under the education tab and clicking on connect with a coach. And you can connect with a coach and have 15-minute office hour sessions. We're happy to help. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.